Step into the 2012 Kia Forte. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Kia infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.